Hello everyone. Standard 4th, subject History, lesson number 16, Campaign in the South. Plan of campaign. The coronation ceremony was over, but its joy was lasting only for a short time. Just after 12 days of the coronation ceremony, Ma Sahib passed away on 17 June 1674. The word coronation means crowning ceremony, an official ceremony of making king or queen. Shivaji Maharaj depended upon the advice and help of Ma Sahib. Jijamata was the true guide and guru in his life. Shivaji Maharaj was very sad at the loss of his mother, but he had very less time for sorrow because he had to administer the kingdom Swaraj, which he had established. Shivaji Maharaj created peace and stability in every region of Maharashtra. A real threat to Swaraj was Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb from north. Aurangzeb was always looking a chance to attack and swallow the new kingdom. Shivaji Maharaj decided to attack Karnataka as he thought to create a powerful base in the south from where he could fight back against the Mughals. Shivaji Maharaj planned his southern campaign. Shivaji Maharaj decided to meet Qutub Shah of Golconda for help and wanted a friendly relations with him. One more reason behind the south campaign was Shivaji's stepbrother Vyankoji Raje. Shivaji's father Shahaji Raje had many wives. Vyankoji was looking after Shahaji's Jagir of Tanjore, which is in south. Vyankoji Raje was brave and well educated, but he never behaved well with Shivaji Maharaj. He had not given Shivaji his share of Shahaji's Jagir of Karnataka, neither did he display any love for Swaraj. Shivaji thought that a personal meeting would resolve the dispute. Golconda Fort was the capital of Qutub Shah's kingdom. Visit to Golconda. Shivaji Maharaj started towards Karnataka. Abul Hasan Qutub Shah of Golconda had invited Shivaji to visit Golconda. So he decided to visit Golconda first and then proceed with his conquest of the south. Qutub Shah made great preparations to welcome Shivaji. A special shamiana, that is tent, was set up for the meeting. Shivaji Maharaj received a royal welcome when he entered in the capital. It was a great opportunity for the people, so they formed a row both the sides of the road to have his darshan. Shivaji Maharaj was a hero for the people. They had heard many stories of his bravery, like how he killed Afzal Khan, how he cut off Shaista Khan's finger, and how he escaped from Agra. People showered flower petals on him from the housetops. After receiving this wonderful reception, Shivaji entered Qutub Shah's darbar. Qutub Shah came down halfway to receive Shivaji Maharaj in his darbar. He had made a special throne for Shivaji Maharaj next to his throne to sit at the same level where he seated. He had made the best arrangements for the meeting with Shivaji Maharaj. Here the word throne means a special chair where king or queen sits. After the friendly meeting with Qutub Shah, Shivaji continues for his south campaign. Students, we will continue with our remaining part of the lesson in part 2. Thank you.